and database. Okay.
Prod or test system?
Sorry?
Production or test?
Production.
Oopsie. Okay. Just put prod. It's easier. Okay, cool.
So this is the topic.
Just copy that. So Control A, and then we're going to just paste it in the summary. Control A, Control C.
Hai Guang.
Yeah.
Do we have more? Do we have more description for this task, or this is enough?
I think this is a summary. So in the full description, we will put more details. So as a summary, I think this is okay.
Okay. The reporter, me?
Yeah. I don't think it'll recognize your queue number in here because you haven't been. There we go. Wow. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Right. Now, yeah, acceptance criteria. So when will you be happy that the package is deployed and the database is ready?
Hai Guang, do we need the full function deployed by BMW or partly?
I think we will do the deploy by myself first. That if I have problem, need AG to help us to deploy. So what the way to?
So maybe in the description, you must say support. Because if you say deploy the OSM package, then the feature team will think they will have to do the whole deployment. Does that make sense? So if you say deploy OSM package and database, the message will come through that the Germans must do it or the South Africans must do it. But if you say support deployment of the package, then at least it's clear that they will not have to do the full deployment. They will only need to help you when you require support.
Yes.
So Sherry, maybe you could just change the description to support deployment of. Because otherwise, otherwise it's the full task.
Support. Here.
So for me, acceptance criteria for that would be, if I can give you a hint, when will this epic be closed? When the package is deployed without errors. When the database is up and running without errors.
Yeah. Let me check when.
Acceptance criteria.
Yeah. In the Hai Guang, when we need the OSM package deployed.
I think it should
Example.
I think it's August. Early August should be right. I think.
August.
Okay.
By the end of August. Okay.
You can just hit enter. You can just hit enter, Sherry. So just put that button on again and then just hit enter on your keyboard.
Enter?
Yeah.
Okay. OSM package need to be deployed. Okay. And what about database?
Yeah, same for database.
Database initialization.
And you need to be really clear. For instance, if you say that the package needs to be deployed by that date, maybe you can say there should be no errors on the package, or Milos is running or without errors, or something like that. Because if you're just saying package needs to be deployed, that's easy. You can just install it and leave it, but it's still full of errors and it's not working and it hasn't been tested. So maybe just be really, really clear what you mean by deployed. So enter. No, just enter. Yeah, okay. So maybe you can say application package running without errors, Milos errors, or something like that.
Without error. Okay.
What about the database?
Database also running without error?
I think it should be configure initial date.
Database.
I think database should configure initial date.
Show date. It's okay?
I think it.
Okay. If you're happy with that, that means the guys will then go create this epic, and then once the package is installed, they'll make sure it's installed before end of August, because that's an acceptance criteria, and they will check for errors. If there are no errors, then we will have a meeting and we will close this epic. The database is up and running, and the initial data is configured, the epic can be closed. No other acceptance criteria. That's fine. So maybe, Sherry, it will be wise to have a template ready for you. You can just copy and paste every time. Otherwise, you'll have to type this thing every time.
Yes. In Lydia.
Your role is as IT project Lydia shop floor lead, package leader, or IT project lead, whatever you want to call it.
Okay. I want to maybe like this.
I need your support with the deployment of the OSM application package and database setup.
Okay. Oh. What's
Now
this?
you cleared everything.
Really?
Yes. Reset, you've cleared everything.
Oh my god.
Maybe it's still in there. So if you start typing, hopefully Chrome saved your text.
Nothing inside. Oh my god.
Yeah, clear means clear.
Then maybe I do it by myself after meeting.
Let's see. Just give me the. I just want to check something. Let's see. Maybe it's saved it. I didn't. Yeah.
We nearly finished it.
Yeah. Support.
OSM deploying the OSM system package.
OSM application. Database.
I'll just leave that default. This is just a sample, so I'm not too concerned. You know the whole drill. We said acceptance criteria was SM application. Okay. Is that okay for you, Sherry?
Yeah.
And then you have your acceptance criteria. You have your attachments, so it's clear. You can put your attachments in there, and we'll just put this there. I'm gonna just for exercise reasons just shorten it quickly as just to speed up the process. ITPL. I want
Get support.
yeah, I want support
Well, get support.
for the. I need support.
Yeah, I need support.
For the
OSM application.
of the OS application package and DB. So that. Why do you need this? So that UAT can start. Right.
So that develop. So that for next step of development.
And underneath this now you can put the details. So you said the BBA will take the lead, right?
Yeah.
Take the lead of setting up or of installation and will need technical support in case of
Yeah.
else would you like to say in there? What about the DB?
Think it's the same.
Also.
We don't know.
Because you cannot, you cannot set up the database, can you?
We don't know. We don't know
Oh.
if we can configure for database or not. Or for the initial setup, need a ZA team.
I think you'll need the team to support.
Then this is totally done by ZA team.
I think so. For DB support, we need full support from maybe you can put details, so the database should be a mirror of Tishi, right?
Yeah.
Mirror. Am I right in saying that?
Maybe
or maybe you can say or see system design document. I don't know if the database tables would be specified in the system design, will it? That's a question. I'm not sure.
Yeah, Haiguang, maybe you can answer this question.
The database be a mirror of Tishi, or would the database be specified in the system design document?
Hello, Haiguang, I'm here.
Oh, sorry, I mute. I think we need a mirror of TC.
Maybe in your system design, you also can write down this sentence.
Yes, I think or see system design. So all I want to emphasize is the more detail you put in this description, the better. That's all. So if you can think of something, just put it in here. If you have attachments, put it in there. If you have screenshots, you can simply copy and paste it in there as much detail as you can. Okay. All right. So let's move on. So let's say that's enough. Again,
do we have the rest for the image paste here, yes, or just text?
No, you can paste images as well.
Can we try it?
Yes. Just do a screenshot of something. I'm not gonna.
Maybe just a sentence.
The description maybe in
attachment.
Oh, Theo. I thought that we can I thought we can just very simply paste a screenshot in here, but it doesn't seem like it wants to accept it in the description portion.
But I think that's why the attachment is there. If you can make a screenshot as a JPEG file, you can choose.
Yeah, that's obviously also doable. I was really hoping that you can simply just paste a screenshot in here, but it doesn't.
As a picture. I think that a description only allows text.
It allows for text. Okay. Then sorry, Sherry, it doesn't allow for screenshots. You'll have to attach something. Okay. So priority is critical. And then again, the same story. Shop floor is there, that's fine. Product is assembly. Oopsie. Domain is shop floor. Product is assembly. Component is OSM. Fixed version, again, I don't have all the fixed if you want the server to be ready earlier, you need to specify that. So that epic will then be linked to this phase. So that's the important thing. But if you need it done sooner, you have to specify the date. That's why there's two different things. You don't have to describe it. You simply link it to this phase, which is important. We need to know that it belongs to phase 2. And then you specify the date you want the work to be done. So we said end of August. So in the description, you don't really have to say we want it ready by the end of August. You can just select that end date. You don't have to say it in this actual user story as well, or in the epic as well, if that makes sense. Does that answer your questions? You don't have to, like we put it in the acceptance criteria, you don't have to. You can just put it in there, you fill it in there.
Yes.
Okay. Any questions?
Sorry, I have one question. We bundled a lot of tasks in one epic, and we want to finish tasks in different due date. Just describe it in the description, or we need to create different apps.
That's a really good question. So this epic is a combination of lots of tasks, and the final date of the epic will be specified in here. So the individual tasks you cannot specify when you want them done. You can just say this work package, this group of tasks must be done by that date at the latest.
Because if we make one with maybe 2 or 3 or 4,
not putting too many small requests in, because that would just cause lots of extra admin for the guys.
okay.
So it is going to be a challenge. So if you can maybe think of